In the middle of Tennessee's rolling hills, flourishing farms, and thriving neighborhoods, there's a line that links us all. Most of the time, we don't even think about it, but it's everywhere. It's helping to grow this season's vegetables and illuminating our neighborhoods. It's the neon signs that welcome night owls and eager moviegoers, or families who just need to recharge. It powers every aspect of our community. At Middle Tennessee Electric, we believe in good energy because it cheers us on, lifts our spirits, and ensures that as our region continues to grow, we stay connected to each other. And when the storms rage and darkness falls, we'll always be there for you. Middle Tennessee Electric, bringing good energy.